We're back at 6:45, only on News 5 this morning. One of the big barriers to Cleveland becoming a technology hub is cleared. The Cleveland company, MedPilot, is getting a big payday after merging with another healthcare technology company.
It's showing other startups in the Great Lakes region that they don't have to be headquartered on the coast to be successful. In this News 5 original, Kevin Barry explains how this could help make Cleveland the tech hub it wants to be.
In the startup world, the goal for a company is often to scale up and either make a profit solving a problem you've identified or sell your company to someone else for a lot of money. MedPilot and co-founder Matt Shapiro took the second option, announcing today they're combining their medical billing technology company with New York-based Vytalize.
It was a significant win for our employees, our customers, our stakeholders, and definitely the city of Cleveland.
They aren't talking about terms of the deal, but all of MedPilot's 35 Cleveland-based employees are staying on, becoming part of Vytalize's workforce. It's a good business move for both companies, but it also proves tech companies can have success in Cleveland, where Matt and his co-founders have already been selling their city to anyone who will listen, like Vytalize co-founder Ferris Gowie.
I can't have a conversation with any of the leadership at MedPilot without Cleveland being like every other word.
Ferris says Cleveland's already on the national landscape because of its medical organizations like the Cleveland Clinic and university hospitals. But what makes this such a big deal for Cleveland is that it's happening at a time when the city is trying to become a technology hub.
Companies like Vytalize getting involved in Cleveland and coming in with technology and not just healthcare. That's the new face of Cleveland.
The deal closed just days after Governor Mike DeWine announced Cleveland's new innovation district would bring $565 million of investment, promising 20,000 jobs over the next decade. But it also proves to all the companies that are in Cleveland and haven't been bought yet that someone else has done it.
This is doable. And I think that the more we can change that narrative, the more people will try to start companies.
The big complaint from some other Cleveland startups is that it's hard to get investors in Northeast Ohio. Early money to help a startup survive is only available on the coasts, and there's no one who's made a lot of money from their startup to reinvest in others. But now they can turn to somebody like Matt.
As an entrepreneur, I think it's natural to invest where we see the most deals because they're not deals to us. They're just companies, they're fellow co-founders and entrepreneurs.
He's already invested in some early stage companies, and he says he plans on continuing that work, encouraging other founders to take a risk that could pay off for them and all of Cleveland.
And so you need to believe that there's a chance to have a successful exit. And so for us, we want to make sure we change that narrative.
In Cleveland, I'm Kevin Barry, News 5.
Right now, Crime Stop